Do you know that laser energy can effectively target the hair follicles for hair growth? LLLT, or low-level laser therapy, uses laser light to stimulate cell growth and supercharge hair follicle. This laser technology helps to combat hair loss and improve the volume and appearance of hair. According to a 2014 study, low-level laser therapy appeared to be safe and effective for hair growth in both men and women. According to a 2013 study of 41 males ages 18 to 48 found that laser hair treatment provided a 39% increase in hair growth over a period of 16 weeks. Low-level laser therapy is believed to increase blood flow in the scalp and stimulate metabolism in catagen or telogen follicles, resulting in the production of anagen hair. Release of nitric oxide from cells leads to increased vascularization to the scalp, distributing nutrients and oxygen to the hair roots. The price of one session starts from just $100+ and targets the entire scalp. Why are Wellaholic's prices so affordable? This is in line with Wellaholic's vision to provide affordable aesthetic treatments that work, with transparent pricing and no hard selling. Wellaholic locates our outlets at convenient locations near MRT stations, but with more affordable rents, so that we can pass our cost savings back to our customers. The result? Happy customers, as seen from over 1,000 positive customer reviews on Google Reviews and TripAdvisor reviews. We provide excellent customer service and focus on creating a relaxed and comfortable environment for our customers. We do not hard sell. Instead, we let our services speak for themselves. At Wellaholic, we are constantly reviewing our brand promise, which is to provide affordable treatments for our customers and help our customers see results with treatments that are backed by science and research. We always work to ensure availability of capacity and slots, so that customers can make bookings easily online. We look forward to seeing you at Wellaholic. Check out our website at wellaholic.com. Or to make a free booking, go to Wellaholic Live/book. See you.